I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick-tick-tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love.
Recording in progress.
I used to be stuck in that.
All right, how you guys feeling? Welcome in.
I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
How y'all doing? Good to see you guys. Good to see everyone. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are doing well. What's the good word? W's in the chat if you're ready to roll here today. YOLO traders here. What's goody? What's goody? What up, Energy? What up, Dropout Trader? What up, Zebs? Good morning, Stevie Mac. George VDM is here. Mr. VDM, I'm sorry. Zyper in the building. Big Blessings is here. The man B21 in the building. What up, B21? What up, Jason C? What's goody? What up, Michael? What up, Kelvin? What's up, Cobra? Earl in the building. Woki, the Yogi. Pablo in the house. The Yogi. What's goody? What up, Randy? How y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. What's good? What's good? What up? What up? What up? What's up, Chala? Chala's in the building. My friend. What's up, Jeremy? Andrew, good morning, bro. Good to see you. What's up, Ava? What up, Vince? OGH. Yeah. Mr. King. Marquise King in the building. What's up, Mr. King? What's up, Lazy Panda? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back to another New York live stream. We shall begin here in just a moment. Let me get everything set up for the clubhouse, and we'll be good. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like here today on this lovely Thursday here. We got the 21st of November. Let me send the link out. We're going to pray, and then we will rock and roll. Time to eat. Time to eat. All right. Oh, whoops. Sorry, Zoomers. Wrong link. It is not time. Okay, now it is time. There we go. All right, Zoomers. Let's rock this thing, man. All right, well, welcome in, welcome in. Let's pray real quick, and we will begin. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for another opportunity to gather together, Lord. I thank you for like-minded individuals here. Lord, I pray that you would do a work in us and through us, and Lord, we just thank you for it in advance. We thank you for the vision that you've placed in our heart. We thank you for the spirit of victory amongst us. We thank you for the calling on our life, Lord, not only to do good, but to give back, to serve, to love. We thank you for the target, which is 8-figure trader, Lord. We just give you all the glory for everything that comes with it. We know that the responsibility is heavy, but we'll take it on, Lord. We thank you for it. We give you the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 What a responsibility we have on our hands, ladies and gents, to go ahead and break generational curses, to go ahead and move the needle forward when it comes to the leadership of the people around us. If not who, or if not you, then who, my friends? If not who, then you. It's all on you. I can't go to your neighborhood. All right, I can't go to your neighborhood. I can't go to your family gatherings. It's going to be up to you to be that example and to create that leadership. And that's what leadership is. Leadership is example. So you're always being an example. Just make sure it's a good one. All right. Let's rock and roll here today. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. Today is again, it's not Thursday. Yeah. Why was I gonna say Monday? Why do I always have my days mixed up? Damn. It is Thursday here, not Monday. It is November 21st, right? We have some 8:30 news coming in. We've got unemployment claims here, and that's about it. Other than that, we do have some yellow, orange folder stuff here all throughout the day today. But the big one is just going to be, unemployment claims coming around here, every Thursday. So we'll look out for that around 8:30. NY opens in about 6-7 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's see where we can go today. Cool. If you guys haven't, friendly reminder, you are great. And another friendly reminder to like the stream. Give the stream a like if you're chasing greatness. All right. Let's get after it. Let's try and make sense of what we got going on here from a technical standpoint on gold. And let's see what we can look forward here into the New York session here. So I already did take one trade here in London. It was a gold buy position right around London open there. So we'll go over that in a minute. But let's talk about what we got in front of us here today in the New York session. So this is our daily candle. So it looks like yesterday we did end up pushing up here on the daily pretty nicely. I am expecting a bearish candle at some point, right? But I'm not going to try and anticipate or really even predict that bearish candle. Once we do get a closure, like a bearish closure, pretend that's red, then that's when I will officially be bearish, right? Up until then, I'm still pretty bullish on the daily time frame. Now this candle here, right, it's got no bottom wick, so that's pretty interesting, but neither did this one and neither did this one. So gold is rallying to the upside. I know there's some tensions going on around the world that's having a part in this as well. So we are pushing up. We're kind of coming into this overall previous zone here. So I do want to see how we react here. I'm very curious to see how today's candle closes. And if we do close bearish, then we will kind of begin to have that bearish bias coming in from tomorrow on, right? But until then, still pretty bullish for the most part. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour here where there's some rejection taking place. So let's go ahead and take a look at that on the 4 hour. Perfect. So 4 hours moving down. So it looks like, we've been pushing up on the 4 hour for quite some time. Look at this. This is, wow, 500 pips without any sort of retracement here on the 4 hour chart. Now it looks like we are coming into this range here where you do have a resistance level. We still do have a little bit more range to go, but halfway through the candle, we broke the highs early on, and we've been pretty much pushing down now for the last, I would say, let's take a look at the hour candle. Yeah, for like the last, about an hour now. So 4 hour is beginning to reject. We broke the highs early on. Let's take a look at that. That was right here. So it looks like we popped early on in this candle, broke the highs, and then just began to come down, right? So 4 hour, if the 4 hour can lead us and kind of say, hey, if we close below here on the 4 hour, then I think the remainder of the day we can maybe get that push down and maybe get that could lead to that bearish closure that we're looking for on the daily time frame, right? So if the 4 hour candle closes back below, breaking previous lows, you're most likely going to see a push down and maybe even a fill of this range here today, right? And again, that would turn the daily candle bearish and, you know, give us a bearish closure there. So going back to the 1 hour now, so we're just bleeding here. We're breaking 1, 2, 3 lows here. So the past 3 hour lows, we've been breaking those. We're still driving down with 2 minutes left on the candle. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame does have support sitting here. So can we just be coming down for a pullback, right, to create support? So that's what we're trying to find out here, is are we going to plant the support here and then make our way back up here on gold, right? Or are we going to plant some sort of bullish candle and then immediately begin to trade below it? And I think at that point, that's where I would be open to taking sells here, right? If we can get some sort of a brand new resistance formed, fresh closure below, I will look to take those sells. If not, I will simply be waiting for something like, where'd it go? Something like, I don't know, I lost it. A support to form and then take buys back up, right? Something like this. Boom. What time frame? 8:30. So 8:30, right? 8:15 or 8:30 gives us that closure, and then we've got a clean range now to move up and retest those highs. So those are my plans for buys and sells. We'll see what happens today. This is a very important area, 26.65. Very curious to see how we begin to react here, and I think if we close without a bottom wick and the next candle closes bullish, I think we have an opportunity to move back up. Cool. And then if you want to be a little bit more patient today, then you can wait for a 15-minute closure back above that range, and then you've got 50, 60 pips to play with there. Right? If you want to play it really safe, you stay on the 15-minute here. You look for sells below 65, you look for buys above 69, and that's pretty much it. Cool. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do as of right now. We might switch that up here in a little bit, but as of right now, that's what I got. Yeah. Halfway through the 4 hour candle here too, so. But that's it, man. That's it. That is all, folks. We're back in range though. We're back, right back to where we were right before London Open. So let me see here. So bullish and bullish. So right here, so you guys seen what I drew out. I'm gonna leave range 2 sells below, right? Or fake outs for buys, right? So we'll keep it for the fake out for buys because we already know what we're looking for when it comes to the sells, right? We need some sort of a fake out for buys. We need some sort of a bullish closure here and followed by a bearish closure, aka a new resistance plus a new breakout. What we're looking for buys here though is maybe a wick down and then a bullish closure like this one, right before London Open, and then from there we begin to take our buys back up. So just picture this candle here closing bullish with a steep wick to the downside, right, and then buys back up. And that would move well. I think that's the plan until we break that 4 hour low, right? Because as long as we respect the lows here on the 4 hour, then we can easily move back up, flip, re-break the highs, and continue driving bullish here, right? Daily still very bullish. So we'll see. But NY Open is upon us here. So we'll see where we're at in the next 15-minute candle. No top wick on this lovely guy here yet. All right. What up, Jimmy Williams? Yo. What's good? Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Yeah, because if we're anticipating that this 4 hour candle will actually continue moving bullish, right? Then that means if we're getting entries around, what is this, 64 here with a closure back above, then that means you literally have about a 70, 80 pip range moving back up, right? This whole move on the 1 hour, clean range on the 4 hour. So we're moving bullish clearly, right? moving bullish, trending a bit. Boom, 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 whatever, right? And coming down, potentially going to create support here, and then continue moving bullish. We'll see. The Viking is in the house. What's up, Magnus? What up, Christopher Barnes? Simple Trading, what's good? What's good, what's good? Let's pull up Zoom here. Got 66 messages unread. How y'all doing? What up, Shelly? Yo, yo, yo. What up, Xander? Daniel's in the house. What's up, brother? What's up, J Coop? Zyper? Oh, so how do I say this name here? Chema. Chema. Shama. Shama? Chema? Is it ch or sh? What's up, Conrad? How we doing? Spell me out your name. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Finishing cardio, eh? It's cha. Got it. So, Chema. Chema? 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 Which one? I do think it's range 2 sells. Yeah, range 2 sells below here. Yeah, other than that, if we close bullish here, I want to take buys moving up. Yeah, see how the 15 closes here. Yeah, the 15, if we do want to move up, we should blow right past that resistance here and make our way back up. Daniel, how we feeling, bro? We're still at the gym, man, eh? What's taking so long over there, bro? Two hours. Holy, 2-hour workout. Let's get it. Have you heard of the prop firm Instant Funding? No challenge? Yes. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you're going to see probably more firms do that. I don't know if it's going to work well or what. Top One has been doing that. They just opened it up again. They have bigger accounts now too, by the way. So if you guys want to get bigger accounts, they got bigger accounts. I think Top One's also doing 40% off of everything right now. So if you guys are looking for challenges, 40% off any Top One challenge, I think until the weekend. Yeah, the weekend. I believe they're doing some sort of a Thanksgiving sale or Black Friday. Daniel's still at the gym, bro. What up, Andy? What up, Bryce? My man's putting in that cardio work. All right, perfect. So yeah, just waiting on some sort of support here, and price looking good though. Volume coming in. Shouldn't we wait till news? You can. Yeah, you can wait. So like unemployment claims is definitely red folder news, but it's not like CPI or NFP or any of those where it's going to be like a massive move. Like you're definitely going to get some volume here, but you know, it comes in every Thursday, so it's some regular news. It's good for volume though. Daniel out here grinding away. Sheesh. How's the music? Is the music too loud? There we go. Alright, I lowered it just a smidge. Alright, 8 minutes for a closure here on the 15 minute, and then we'll go from there. How'd you guys do in London? Anyone do anything in London? Price pushed up pretty nicely. Nice. Slept? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Sleep Stop's got. Oh, Sleep Stop's got Daniel. Ooh. Yeah, buys worked out good. This is the buy I took. London, basically buy onion play off support. London open was right here. Same place we are now, right? Same exact zone, right here. 315, whatever it was. What's up, Ace? Yo, yo. Trade GU during London sessions. Yeah, GU is probably very nice. I haven't looked at GU in a long time, but I used to trade London GU, GA, and GJ. All good pairs. I didn't buy off the flip. There was a current candle high sitting like right here. So I took it right off the current candle. Just come back from a walk in the forest. Lovely. Very nice. Very nice, Jimmy Williams. See, losses are good. They give you these lonely, solitude walks in the forest, which you might not have gotten if you won all last week. So, W. Lovely, lovely push. Let's see if we can get the closure. I think regardless if we get the closure or not, if you get a strong support, it looks pretty good here. My overall bias here today is probably going to be bullish, looking more towards this 4-hour candle re-breaking its high and moving up, and the daily candle possibly continuing to push. The daily candle doesn't have much of a bottom wick though, right? And we're also in a more so starting to try and form the downtrend here. So we'll see if we get any sort of pushback from this zone, right? This zone up here on the daily time frame. But yeah, I'm pretty bullish. I'm open for sells as well. I think we just need a closure back below here now, and then I would look to take some sells, but pretty bullish for the most part. Yeah, you see that? Losses are good. Everyone's trying to run from the losses and hide from them. Conrad. I hope not. Have I always had the patience? Hell no. Hell no, no, no. Brother, I've blown like 30 accounts. Probably 20 of them in a row. Maybe not 20. Probably 10 in a row. Just back to back to back to back to back to back to back. So I used to be very impatient. Very impatient. That's how I learned patience. And a lot of times, you know, life is the greatest teacher, right? So how do you begin to get very patient? You spend a couple years being very impatient, and then you realize that there's consequences to being impatient, especially in the markets. So then you learn to develop patience. Or you go back to a day job, you know? So I just learned to develop patience because I didn't want to continue to get hurt, right? Being impatient was hurting me a lot. Have I ever had a Celsius? Oh yeah, I had one. Me and C. Melly had it. They wouldn't let me take excess on the plane. It's like, damn. It's messed up. Anyone take like any kind of fade here? Or are you guys waiting on 15 closure? True, PM Magnifico, yep. Impatience hurts, it does. It does. Hurts the pocket too. Not only does it hurt the mind, it hurts the pocket. What's my RR? I'm good with anything one R is good. 1 R or more, I'm good. Sometimes not even. Like, let's say I got into a buy and I was targeting that gray line, and you know, I'm in a buy position and all of a sudden the candle closed without a wick at the top. Like, I'm just take it, you know, just take it right there. Yeah, in this next trade, I'd be using current candle stops, right? That'll make the RR a little bit better, because if I use the stop down here, it's way too steep. So I'd have to be using current candle, and that would help the RR a little bit. But me, I'm not much of an RR trader. I like getting 2 Rs, you know, 1 plus R, but it's not the end of the world if I don't. How many times have I lost money before it started earning? I can't even tell you. Countless amounts. Yeah, you'll notice too, if you're impatient here, you're impatient other places. You probably talk to your husband or wife sometimes very impatiently, or your kids, or your coworkers. You know, it's a trading brings things out in you, right? It brings the personality that you have out, and it's an opportunity to change, opportunity to grow. Yeah, 15 closure. Looks like we may not get it. We'll see. I'm profitable. My parents don't like that I trade. Are they going to pay your bills? Are they going to say, well, don't do trading, I'll provide for you? Ah, man, no wick at the top and closure right at resistance. Why you gotta do that, gold? Why you gotta do that? I mean, if they're down to pay for your lifestyle and get you everything you want that trading would, I mean, listen to them. But if not, I wouldn't really take any of that into consideration. Have I? Yes, I have gone back-to-back days blowing accounts. Yep. So this candle closed with no top wick right at resistance. So if this thing drives here, I mean, that's fine, but my system doesn't call for entry. I'm gonna have to wait for the 30 closure here. So if we get a 30 closure, then I think we're good. Other than that, gotta wait. By the way, if gold really does want to rip up today, there's so much range. So much range. Yeah, this platform is really good. Yeah, I really like it. Top Step X. Very, very nice. Probably the best platform I've ever traded on. Love the way I talk about trading. Yeah, because I'm a business guy at first, you know. Trading's just another business. It's just another company. But can you treat it like that? You know, you don't open up a business and then just full margin, do you? Right? Like, you don't spend your hard-earned money and your expertise just to flop on a business idea, right? Because it's going to cost you. So if you can treat trading with that same level of professionalism and seriousness, then you're going to do well. If you track things and treat things like a business and actually strive to win long term versus just trying to, I don't know, make money today, then you're going to look at trading in a totally different light, and you're going to see it for what it really is versus what the internet has perceived to you. What's up, Green? Everyone wants to be a trader until they actually learn what it takes to actually succeed long term. We're not talking about being in the game for a couple months, which most people are. Let's face it, most people get into trading and they're gone within 6 months. It's not an easy thing to do, right? So that's why I'm so proud of those who are here. Like, I'm not even going to name any names, but you got people here now that have been here like over a year. So that just shows you that you guys are separating yourself, putting in the work, focused on that long-term vision, and there's no doubt you'll be successful. Anyone who focuses on long-term will eventually, catch up to it. So keep doing the inputs, and you'll receive the output. But let's face it, most traders they're done. They're done. This game will chew you up and spit you out. They're done within the first couple months, and then here and there they'll give it another go. They'll get some motivation back up, and some stuff will happen with their job, and they'll go ahead and give it another run, only to falter, a couple months later, because they're not in it for the long term. This is a very bumpy road, so you better be prepared with a four-wheeler. If you got your little lowrider thinking you're just gonna ease through these streets of trading, you got something else coming to you, trust me. And especially if you don't have a system, right? If you don't have a system, you're done. You might as well not even begin. You might as well shut the laptop now and just go find something else to do. Been 1 year, Nikola Tesla in the building. Yeah, a lot of big players in here. You're gonna see people because they've got their expectations right. They fixed their mind on the long term, right? And now they know that it's a process. So it's lovely. It's lovely. The Prather Trader. What's goody? Remember, people go to school, right? They do schooling for like 4+ years, 5 years. Like some doctors that make like $400,000 a year, they go to school for like 9 years. And they pay a whole bunch of money in tuition. And they only make $400,000 a year. Like, you're talking about potentially making $400,000 in a month, in a quarter, right? So wouldn't you expect to have some commitment? Feel me? Because you can make way more than $400,000 in the markets per year. Yes, and that's what it is too. Just that continuous modification, learning, tweaking, adjusting, just rolling with the punches, rolling with the waves of the market. You're never too good. You can always be humbled. What's up? What's up, Lights Fire? What's up, Rafi? Yep. So all that's fine and dandy, but let's focus on what it takes to get there. It's one thing to have those big visions and those big aspirations. It's another thing to put in the work every single day without really seeing many results, because that's how success works. You're going to put in a bunch of work only to see nothing happening. Right? Success is hard. That's why most people don't achieve it. Right? So you're going to have to go through that hard. You're going to have to go through that difficulty. You're going to have to remain positive, right, in the face of adversity, or remain upbeat with your spirits high when you're not seeing when all you want to see is results and what you're seeing is far from it, it takes a warrior, a true champion to keep going, you know, and that's why only the few become champions. Only the few actually succeed in life. Yeah, market's fate. You develop your own system. You know, I don't think anyone develops anything totally new. I think it's all just stems from what's already out there. There's really no new knowledge or new wisdom under the sun. So I'm big on following in the footsteps of those who are where I want to be, right? So I personally, I didn't create this system. I didn't develop this system. I've developed myself within the system, but you know, this is all I learned all this stuff from Raja and Don. Every single thing I learned here. Yep. My own experience helped me kind of mold myself to it, and that was it. Couple little minor tweaks, but other than that, the foundation is just in place from other people. Remember what Mr. V, right? Remember what my mentor taught me. He said, if you're gonna walk through a minefield, Nick, follow someone. Right? If you're gonna walk through a minefield, follow someone. So I've always taken that advice, and I've always followed others, right? Because I don't want to land on the bomb, right? I want to follow in others' footsteps who made it across safely. Only bands. Let's get only bands. What you got going on here? Hero of the day. Webcam background. I don't think I'll open that one. Okay, my question, how do you determine if a loss is part of probability or if it's a sign that your strategy needs adjusting? Good question. So the one thing is number one, if it's a loss, so you have to know what you're looking for, number one, right? So if you took a loss and you go back and review it and you go, you know what, that doesn't match my system. I think I was just acting in the moment and something took over. All right, that's a loss that's a bad loss, right? That's something that could be avoided. But then you've got your system, right? And if you follow that system to the T and it yields you a 75% win rate, but then all of a sudden you begin, and not for 1 month, right, but for multiple months, you begin to see that you're doing the same thing, but your win rate has dropped and your profitability has dropped, and it's no longer a 75%, it's a 55%, and you haven't even made any money over the last 2 or 3 months, right? That means that either A, there's something wrong with your system, or B, the market conditions aren't in favor of it. So sometimes that could happen. You know, I think we've seen spurts of that throughout, you know, our time here in the last couple of years, but all in all, typically if you have a price action system with candlesticks and you understand how to read the candles, everything should be all gravy. Yeah, and let's say you have a bad month, you don't want to change your system. So one of the big problems is a lot of people change their system too fast. So never mind 1 month. Some people go 1 week, right? Oh my God, we took some losses. They're on to another system. It's called strategy hopping. People do it all the time. So you don't want to be too quick to jump, right? And to say, well, this ain't working. So I think if you're having a rough year, like 5 months in, then something may have to change. But if you have a bad month, even a bad 2 months, you know, sometimes the market just isn't flowing the best for your system, but it should come right back around. What's good, Eric Pete? What's good? Someone broke into your truck? Nah. that. Wait, they broke the window? Nah. Did they take tires? That's wild. Sheesh. Johnny Gems in the house.
Yo, yo.
How you doing, buddy? How you doing?
What's up, my man?
Everything, brother. Everything.
Oh, blessed to be here.
Blessed to have you.
Thanks, bro.
Top G.
Another day to be patient and disciplined to the system and the plan. You know it.
True. True.
What's up, chat? It's good, ladies and gents. How we feeling? Yo, Daniel, man, I'm sorry to hear that,
Yeah,
bro.
That's wild, bro. You good. Everything in life
Yeesh.
happens for you.
Yeah, it's happening for you, bro.
Yes,
Yup.
sir. Right, Green?
Yeah, man.
Do you have any advice on how to become more confident in everything you do and not giving a F about what others think? Yeah, start small, keep promises to yourself. Really tell yourself you're going to do something and do it. Stick to it. All of a sudden, you'll be like, you know what? I've been doing, I don't know. I've been making my bed every single day now. Every single day, I'm a beast. And then, you know what? You throw something extra in there. You go, you know what? After I make my bed, I'm going to journal a little bit. I'm not even going to journal. I'm just going to write 5 things I'm grateful for. And then for another week now, every day you're making your bed, every day you're writing in your journal. And then all of a sudden you go, you know what, Nick, and all these people talking about all these crazy books, let me go ahead and try and open one up. I know I haven't read in 15 years, and I don't even know if I could still read, but let me try it out, right? And then you open up a simple book, and you commit to that. And now every day you're waking up, you're making your bed, you're reading and writing your goals, you're spending 10 or 15 minutes of reading a good self-development, personal development book, and guess what? You start to get on fire. You start to be like, what else can I do? Right? What else can I chip away with? And you begin to like who you're becoming, you know, and then you just one more thing and one more thing, and then your brain and your subconscious mind now says, hey, when you say something, you do it. That's amazing, you know, and all of a sudden that breeds confidence. All right, here's our news, by the way. So it's just news coming out. But that's what begins to breed confidence, and then as your confidence grows, guess what? So does your vision, so does your activity. And now instead of just reading, now all of a sudden you're going to the gym. Like you got a trainer. You're getting, not only you're getting into good shape mentally, but you're now getting into good shape physically, right? And now all of a sudden you're beginning to explore a spiritual life and diving down that, and all of a sudden life is just day and night, you know. And all you look back and you go, whoa, I'm a totally different person than I was a year ago, and it all started with something small like making my bed and starting a simple routine. So, you know, you could be the most confident person in the world at this time next year. It's just, will you stick to those little things? And if you do, that will breed the confidence you're looking for, and then that confidence will take on a life of its own, and you'll begin to attempt things that you couldn't even fathom doing right now.
Facts.
One sec, John. Let me get John up here real quick. Johnny Gems.
Hey, that's gems what you just said.
There he is. Let's make him bigger because he's a top G.
How you done? What's good? What's up, 8-figure traders?
Yeah. 8-figure traders are in the building.
They in the building, bro. Welcome. You know it. You know it.
In the process of applying the knowledge you learn, what were the challenges you faced? Everything. Criticism, embarrassment, failure, being broke, heartbroken, devastated, lacking money financially, everything. Everything. People telling me no, being rejected, everything. Everything and anything that you can think of.
Battling negative thoughts and maybe fearful thoughts too. You know, the spiritual war.
Yup. Everything.
What was the toughest part? Would you say battling the negative thoughts or what?
None of it. None of it was tough. None of it. I was well equipped for all of it.
So what was the most, all right, let me change the wording. What was the most testing to you?
Just continuing on with no result.
Okay.
You know?
So staying faithful.
Just, yeah, while everyone else is in their... And again, that wasn't even that tough for me because I understood delayed gratification. I understood sowing and reaping. I was taught very well. So when you're taught very well before the journey, it makes it much easier for, you know, for the way to be prepared.
Right. Nah, that's a big one, bro. Staying faithful along the journey, man. Like
Yeah,
seeing something you cannot see in the physical realm, but staying disciplined with the work, and the vision that you see in the mind, but not in the physical realm.
Mm-hmm.
You know, takes faith. Right? Faith's a part of the process here.
Yeah, you know, I have to have a pep talk every day with myself, every day, and so should you. People think
You still do.
I seen someone, a family member of mine, they were like, sometimes I need to have a pep talk to tell myself I'm that chick or I'm that girl or whatever. I'm like, every day. You know what I mean? Not sometimes. Like, you need to have that conversation every single day. When was the last time you actually looked in the mirror and said, I love you, man. I love you. You are freaking, you're a top G. Like, you are separating yourself. You are willing to do what most people are unwilling to do, and that's why you will get what most people cannot get. Right? And you gotta tell yourself, man, I'm proud of you, dude. Let's run it. Let's run it. Right? Let's come out this next round swinging instead of just beating yourself up all the time.
Yeah, man.
To this day.
This day. You got to, man.
I don't know about you guys. Must be more positive than me. Because I need a pep talk every day. So y'all must be on another level. I need conversation with God. I need direction. I need help. I don't know about you guys, but I need help on the daily.
Oh, same here, man.
Yep. And if you're good friends with you, it makes things a lot easier. And that all goes back to building that confidence, doing what you say you're going to do, even when the feeling of you wanting to do it is long and gone, right? Because you're going to hear something like this and you'll get all fired up and you'll get all excited. But what about when the feeling of excitement leaves, right? Will you still remain pumped up? Will you not even pumped up, right? Because you got to do things not pumped up, right? Sometimes you got to force yourself to do things. So are you willing to do that when the motivation leaves and the inspiration's gone and I'm not in the microphone and you're just all alone, just you, and you have that opportunity to grow? So will you grow? Will you take that opportunity to win? Because success is really little wins stacked up. It's not a big win. It's a bunch of little wins.
Yes, sir, bro. The process-focused person always wins. As soon as you think about the outcome, you become discouraged in a way, right? Because you're still progressing and developing, right? But you got to stay attached to the process so you can achieve the outcome. But the process-focused people win. They're the real winners.
Yes, sir. And those are the struggles that pretty much everyone has to go through. Some people, it takes them a year. They're over it. Some people takes them 2 years. Some people takes them 5 years. My journey was like 9 years. 9 years of just rough, tough grit, determination, faith, and just believing that, that opportunity and that life was out there for me. I had excellent examples. Yeah, I did take a trade in London, Sesh. I took a buy here on gold, right here. This trade, this buy right here. So 15 chopping around here, NY open. We got a 4-hour closure in a little bit. We may close bearish, so we'll see. But nothing going on just yet. Oh, nice, Harry. Good work.
Sir Lawrence, yes, sir.
Dun dun dun. Exactly. That's so true. Yeah, discipline is way more important than motivation. You're not going to be motivated every day, so you have to stay disciplined. Yeah, so you're always going to fall back to your system. That's why I preach so much on living your life via systems and creating those systems that keep you in check and keep you progressing and ultimately keep you moving forward, right? Because if you're not moving forward, you're moving backwards. You're never really staying in one place. So you have to build those systems out, those non-negotiables, create those routines, like know what you're eating later, know what time you're going to the gym later, know what time you're trading, know what you're looking for while you're trading. Otherwise, you're just leaving it up to chance, leaving it up to guess, leaving it up to, whatever happens, happens. Like, that's not how winners
Leaving it up
win.
to feelings. Yeah.
Yeah, you leave it up to feelings. So now it's like, I don't feel like going to the gym, so you don't go. You're like, what time should I go? I don't know. I definitely don't feel like going now. Maybe I'll go later. That's not gonna do it.
I didn't take the chicken out. Let me just. I feel like getting McDonald's.
Yeah.
I eat a
I know I was
bunch of
supposed to eat
BS.
lean chicken today, with nothing else in it, just bland and blah. But you know what? I forgot to take it out. I guess I'll go get a 4 for 4 from Wendy's.
It's kind of in the mood for a Big Mac, anyways.
Yeah, I mean, I've been working out 2 days now. I mean, I deserve a Big Mac.
Yeah. It's real.
So this is the thing. These are the things that people do. These are the things that I did. Before I had a strict, systematic approach to everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your systems.
And simple systems work best.
Yep. They're designed to keep you from failing. The issue is, a lot of people break the system. They break the plan. That's why it's truly a mindset shift. It's not now that you got this plan, you're going to do great. Nope. So that's when we have to learn to go to war. Protect this house, build the mind.
Yep. And your plan only works through action, So you got to do it. You got to follow the plan.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. You will fail to your highest level of preparedness. W.
Fire.
If you're prepared, that's like half the battle. Prior proper planning prevents poor performance. Prior proper planning prevents poor performance. What's up, Dan? How are you, bro? We're spitting today. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. If you're learning something new or you're feeling like, this is some valuable information, sub to the channel, give the stream a like. Keep the good questions coming. Prior proper
just keep spitting, bro.
Poor performance. Exactly.
Just keep spitting, bro. I'm chilling here.
Blah. Blah. I'm reading the...
My brain will continue to soak it in.
The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. It's been a really good 4 or 5 chapters. I'm getting into it now. Yeah, I did notice that.
Daniel.
Not much of anything really here with unemployment claims.
New York session is going to give us a beautiful trade today.
We're going to take the best trade of our life here today. I know it.
The best trade. Maybe even 2. Pop off on 2 beautiful trades.
Yeah. Is it normally like this during this time of year? It could be. You know, we're winding down the year and all that
Yes.
too, so.
Yes, we're in like, think about it, we're 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving in November and the quarter 4. So, you know, with all those reasons, makes sense why we're seeing less volume, less clean price action.
Plus now, so notice how a couple weeks ago it was a big, lots of volume, right? We made all these gains here in those 2 weeks, but notice how now it's quiet now, right? Because now we're in this little transition period. Market absorbed all that impact from the elections. Everything was going crazy, right? And now we're just slowly pulling back, chipping away, and just kind of making this either this retracement or some sort of a pullback here.
Yeah.
Fibonacci states that we're at the 50% level, so you guys know the vibe there. How you doing? Nobody knows nothing. Let me get Fibonacci soup with some noodles.
Yeah. What's up, Travis? Yes, sir, bro. It is.
Fibba who?
Fibonacci soup.
Fibba what? Fibba who? Good morning, Sly. What's up, brother? What's up, Melvin? Yo, yo.
Good.
Turtle soup, little Fibonacci soup.
Turtles.
Fibonacci
I'm
soup.
good on that, man.
They got that
Okay,
at
on
Olive
that.
Garden now. No lie.
Serving in the markets now.
Fibonaccios, I like that one. Damn, how did I not think of that? Fibonaccios.
Sounds good. I'll have that.
Bit of barcode trading, yeah, I think so.
Bro, anyone remember the Yankee Stadium nachos? Those things were insane.
Holy, I never got those. I didn't want to damage my dad's
huge.
pockets too much like my brother Joe would do. My brother
Yeah,
Joe,
alright, bro.
my brother Joe would get a oh look, see, remember the sample size? I don't think we ever would have got activated, but we were very bullish there yesterday.
That's good we didn't get activation.
Oh yeah, Joe. Yeah, Joe would get all the big nachos and stuff, and I just settle for like a hot dog.
It would damage dad's pockets really bad.
My brother Joe would be like, yeah, do I want something? Of course. I'll take this, I'll take that.
Dad's hoping he says no.
That's ruthless. After Joe ordered his thing, it was already like $70. I'm like, yeah, I guess I'll just have a hot dog. Be straight with that.
For real, bro.
The garlic fries at Yankees. You doing?
Damn, that actually sounds really good, bro.
Hey, Little Mo be at Yankee Stadium a lot now.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see him next year.
I think he got like a deal with them too.
Yeah, definitely.
He got a deal. Nobody knows nothing.
Let's go, Magnus.
Magnus, the Viking. How was your workout, Magnus?
Yeah, Magnus. Sorry, bro. I was in a deep sleep. I was in dream state, bro. I thought I was actually trading London with you guys, but it was just my dream.
We were waiting for you, brother. Naz and MQ are like so identical, it's not even funny.
Nah, J. Coop, no one knows nothing. I was there, but I wasn't.
J. Coop, he was not there, bro. He was not there. I was almost shocked. Almost.
I was spiritually there. Like I said, I was in my dream, so. I was like, oh, beautiful buy off support. I woke up, I'm like, damn, I didn't actually take that.
Nah, no lie. One time I was broke as a joke, failing accounts left and right. I literally had a dream. I can't remember the number. I think it was like $8,000. And $8,000 at that time was life changing. Yo, I had this dream that I won 8 grand on a trade. And then I woke up. I was so pissed. I was so pissed.
That was the future.
It was bad.
Took a trip to the future.
I really thought life was about to change with 8,000 there. Ben blew my account that day trying to get it.
Yeah, right. That's tough.
I was like, this must be a sign. I'm going to make 8 grand today regardless. Max daily drawdown, tapped. Oh, nice, nice.
Hey, Eric, let's go.
Let's get it, Armor of God.
Nice.
W, Eric P. W.
W, big dub.
Bro, I was tight. I really thought we had a little. I really thought we had a little pillow.
That's like a nightmare, bro.
The only pillow I had was the one I was sleeping on, man.
That's a real life nightmare.
What do I do when I feel emotion? I enjoy it. I enjoy the fact that I'm a human and I get multiple experiences. I get happy, I get sad, I get joy, I get laughter, I get anger, I get so many things that a bug or a bird or a crocodile doesn't get the privilege to get, you know? So emotions aren't bad. They're a part of life.
Now the question is, do you control the emotions or the emotions control you?
Yep. I've learned to control them, you know, through conscious application and repetition to the subconscious mind. So it's a little different now than what it used to be. There was a time where I got angry and punched a hole in my wall. You know, I would.
Yeah.
Now, how far am I away from that? Well, where's the distance created, right? The distance is created in the mind. Bugs? You think bugs get mad?
Yeah, chat. Yeah, chat, no lie, that's true. There was a huge wall in our kitchen, or a huge hole in our wall in the kitchen from Nick.
Put a little picture up. Nobody knows nothing.
Yeah, we put a picture of like our mom and dad blocking it.
Happy family.
The hole was massive. I remember. I was like, damn, I could fit my head through that. I was like, Mom, what happened to the wall?
Nothing.
The hell?
Yeah, man. Damn. Them tendons are oof. Yee. Yeah, I remember my cousin did that in a fish tank. Whole entire hand was messed up.
Yeah, good thing you didn't break your hand.
That wall had nothing on me.
Icy meal, W.
Ooh, Natho, that's a compliment. I'll take it. I'll take it. I think we had a little shout out on Raja's stream today. A little shout out.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Raja Banks. Roger Banks.
So. Raja. Shout out Raja.
Is this guy my brother? Who, this guy? Which guy? This guy over here? This guy? This guy? Yeah, he's my brother.
Yeah, we're brothers in Christ.
You're all my brothers.
We're all brothers and sisters of Christ.
How do we identify if the resistance is going to break or not? You wait for a closure. So you don't get in when price gets up to these levels. You actually wait for a candle to close. This was one of the most important things I've ever learned in my trading, is the importance of waiting for candles to close. Once you have official candle closure above, believe it or not, that's typically when you'll fill the range. Until then, it's very dangerous. Unless you have very high volume and you're experienced on impulse entries. I mean, I'm experienced, but I didn't take no impulse entries here. This is tough spot to take impulse entries. So waiting on candles to close will change your whole trading. And sure, are you gonna miss some moves here and there? Of course. Who cares, right? If you're, let's say we're waiting for this candle to close and it just does this. Who cares? Seriously. You in this for the long haul, or you want to make money here and just do a little thing today? Who cares? Right? Your only job is to wait for good setups.
Yeah, and that's part of trading. The markets are just going to move, right? And you truly never miss a move that's not yours. So if you're waiting on a move that does not happen, the markets move it out you didn't miss anything. You only miss a move when the setup presents itself to you and you are hesitant to execute, and then it leaves without you. But if your setup never shows up, then you really don't ever miss a move.
True. Do we have siblings? Yes. Yeah. No, me and John are actually really brothers. Yeah, Norris. We have another brother. Some of you guys know Joey Gems. Some of you guys know Joey Gems. Joey Gems calling the picks.
Joey Gems.
He calls signals too, just not in trading. So he's doing his thing. He's he does his thing. And then we have another brother who's half brother, who is my dad's son, and he's a G too. He's another top G, but he's older than us. He's like 10 years older than me. So my guy's like 20 years older than John.
Like 25.
What's my favorite stock to buy? Tesla. Who's got the most money? Holy.
Yo, chill, we don't talk about money, bro.
I don't even think that's a question, brother.
Money ain't a problem.
Step brother, half brother. You see what had happened was my dad.
The devil at work.
He had 2 little kids before he met my mom with some other lady. Hi, how you doing? I'm the other lady. And then he marched over here.
The other lady.
like most Americans do, because the divorce rate is extremely high. And then he came over and he said, "Hey, how you doing?" And then my mom said, "How are you?"
You done?
Right? And then they had me.
Excuse me.
And then he said, "Hey, I got these two Rugrats too." Right? So they become my half sibling. Half. So they're only my dad's, right? And then my mom, and we'll draw Joe and John with box heads.
Oh wow. You should just draw me with a diamond, bro.
There's Joe and John. Right? And
You
then
can give Joe the box.
these guys are a little older, so we never really hung out with them too much, and this became the squad.
Yeah.
So now that's my half. These are our half siblings, so they're only our dad.
Man gave me a boxer.
That's for that haircut, bro.
And we were all three of us were mistakes, so it's God's plan. Yeah, right. Should have gave yourself the mushroom cut, bro. That's what you had.
Who had the mushroom cut? Who had the mushroom cut? Anyone? I had the
I'm
mushroom
just
cut.
trolling.
If you were in the 90s,
I'm just trolling. Ain't no mistakes.
If you were in the 90s, you had the mushroom cut. Stop playing. Some of y'all had that little blonde flip thing. I didn't go that far. Who had the little blonde flip thingy majiggy?
Yo, yo, Magnus would have had that, bro, if he was in the 90s.
I didn't do all that. If when there was like a group of like 10 kids in like 1998, and I was the only one without that weird little blonde flip on the top. Looking like the Mr. Bean cut. Kids were laughing at you.
Melly.
I call it the 98 degrees. Oh my god. Wow. I forgot about those guys. Oh yeah, Adidas. Adidas was lit then. What else was lit? Champion. You guys remember Champion? That brand was extremely popular back then.
Another closure in the range. Wow.
Wow, so zero excitement here outside of the chat's incredible questions here today from Gold.
Yeah, right.
In sync? They're still together? Well, I don't know. I don't know what them guys have been drinking over the past couple of years, but I don't know. Starting to act a little funny. Starter jackets. Yeah, remember Starter? Damn. Yeah, Champion's trying to make a comeback. Yep. Hero of the day. Every 90s kid looked like one of these dudes. Does that not look like John?
Oh.
He's got the Backstreet Boy cut. Let's go. Oh, snap.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Wow. All right, we're starting to get some action here. So we got a new 1 hour candle. So the 1 hour candle did close bullish here, right? So we are trying to create support. There's no bottom wick on the candle yet. I will continue to wait on the 15 at this point, and once we get a closure above, it looks pretty good.
All of them lights fire. It's not lights fire.
John said who? Nah, you know that 90s look is coming back. It's coming back. Actually, it is back.
Louis G. Go Louis G.
That in-sync haircut? What's that? That ramen noodle haircut? My guy Timberlake looking like the ramen noodle bag on his head back then.
Oh, Timberlake, he was in that band?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. That's how you know I'm a 2000 kid.
Yeah, if you guys ever hear John say anything a little wild, a little strange, just keep in mind he was born after 2005, so give him a break.
Yeah. Yeah, please, thanks. Don't even listen to me, actually.
How'd I meet my wife? I seen her at a couple local parties, you
Nick
know,
was stalking her.
started the Riz, started the Riz up a little bit, and seen her a couple times, finally exchanged a little information, which was at that point just Facebook. Not gonna lie, I didn't even get the number. Hit her up on the Facebook thing. I said, yeah, what's up? And she actually never hit me back up. It's messed up, right? It's messed up. She didn't even know. She didn't even know. So I had to give her a second chance. You know what I mean? So I hit her up again, told her it's the last chance. No, I didn't tell her that. But in my head, I'm like, yeah, it's the last chance, So I hit her up, and, and then that's when everything came together, so. When did I find her? when did we start? We started dating in 2012, 2011. So many years ago now.
What's the exact date, Nick?
The exact date, I don't know. Don't ask me
I'm
when
just kidding,
Anna's around. Don't ask me these questions when Anna's around, though, gang.
I'm just kidding, bro.
All right.
It never happened.
Just kidding.
I was never here.
Well, I'm deleting the stream. No, just kidding. Yeah, the exact date, February 18th. I don't know, something like that.
I was never given a name.
I would have folded there. Our first date, I took her out to New York City because I was buying some new tires. So I see if she wanted to take a ride. And then we went out there. I felt like a boss. I was dropping $600 out of my $700 I had to my name on new tires, which was a very smart investment at the time, I would say. And yeah, I had just enough money to get some food on the way back, and she knew she was riding with a boss. Oh man,
That's tough, bro. Honestly.
Good times. I don't know. She might have said, I don't know about this guy. Yeah, and then I said, how you doing? Oh, JT. There's JT. Oh, yeah, there's the ramen noodle head. Wow.
Dude had an afro?
Put it in the microwave one more time. Oh, wait, what the heck? That's not even in sync. It's Britney Spears. Yeah, it was boss work. I do what I can.
Dude, look like a Brillo pad, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
Man said a Brillo pad.
Trading's not as bad when you got a community to vibe with, definitely.
Yeah, it's like either that or just blow your account in this consolidation.
Yeah. So what to do?
Really happy I tuned into the live stream today. Come on, can we get a closure? We broke the highs. Can we get a closure? We got 9:30 up here. You like the love story? That was just where it began, man. That was just the beginning.
Still just the beginning.
Yep.
All right, let's go, bro. Let's get moving.
Gold's like, shut up, John. You didn't come to London. Yo, Goldie's had a little attitude in New York sesh, not gonna lie.
Really has been, bro.
What size should I use for a prop firm account at 10K? I don't know, like
Whatever you want.
0.10, maybe something
What
like
do you
that.
Yeah. What are you comfortable with risking?
Full margin. Yeah, exactly. And then not too long after that. So obviously I was already an entrepreneur for many years, but never doing it the right way. But right around that time is where I began to seek out mentorship, and she was down, and we hopped on the train together, and we haven't looked back since.
It's a big W.
Shut up, Meg. I want to open these pics on Zoom, but then they pop up on my main screen here. Full margin on BTC and retire. It's not far from the
That's
truth.
a great plan.
Yeah, Bitcoin should still be carrying on here. I have some moves to make at 104,000. And we're almost there, my friends. Today could be a bit of a payday.
Maybe take out. Yeah.
A little takeout day. How you
Maybe
doing?
sell.
Little takeout lunch.
Oh yeah. Take out tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, if the 4-hour close is bearish, then we kind of flip things around. We're really not looking for a fake out to move up anymore. So that's when we'll redo our analysis and all that stuff. My 4 hour is currently still opened. That's the only reason I haven't done that yet. But yeah, it looks like we're trying to move up. So if we keep rejecting here at 2670, then I think if we get a closure below 2665, I think everything's good to go. Yeah,
4 hour
nice
nicely. The 4 hours respecting that previous low nicely right now as well.
104,000. 104,000. That's where I just take some out. But not much, because I'm expecting way higher than this over our lifetime. All right, Louis G. Oh, nice. Happy birthday to your wife. Enjoy it, bro. Have fun. Make it count. Yeah. So now, like, once the 4 hour close is bearish, now you kind of switch it, right? So you kind of have fake out for sells here, and then you got clean sells below. So depending on, because remember the 4 hour candle, let's say it does close bearish, it's still going to want to make somewhat of a top wick. So that may mean a little bit more consolidation and then a break below. Exactly, sleepy hot dog. Exactly. Simple game. Just act like it's not even there. Bro, what's going on in that truck over there, bro? Is everything all right? Hey, did they take anything from your truck? I hope they didn't steal anything. How do you take into analysis the different closure? I've been just using. What's up, Joseph? How are you, man? Good to see you, brother. I've just been using the futures one. Yeah, I've just been using that one as of lately, and just going. To be honest, they even when they're different, they line up a little bit. You can make sense of them, but I feel like the futures one is a little bit more valid. Oh, Armor of God, W. W, brother. Let's go. Just like trading, man. You gotta know exactly what you're looking for. Peace, Louis G. Have a great day, bro. Enjoy. I wonder, are you guys going out to lunch? A little brunch action? Just paint the vision for your wife and say, honey, this is what I want every day. Hey, is anyone in Sheeb? Anyone still holding Sheeb? Ethereum moving too. I've always liked Solana too. I think it'll be useful. Man, Sheeb, good old Sheeb. Yeah, Solana. Yep. Doge? Nah, no, I don't have Doge anymore. I had Doge in the first bull run. Well, not the last bull run, I should say. Yeah, this run I'm really not interested in many other things. I'm just trying to keep it simple. So Bitcoin's been the leader. When did you guys start buying Bitcoin? What are my thoughts on Tithe? I'm just glad it didn't say 90th. Right? Tithe is a 10th. I'm just glad we get to keep the other 90, eh? He could have said, I want 90, you keep 10. So I'll gladly give the 10. With joy and happiness. And not to a church or to a organization. I mean, sometimes, but to where my heart so desires, wherever it's placed on my heart to give. But hey, ain't it great? You keep 90, give back 10. Pretty fair. Oh wow, we closed here. So we closed
Wasn't bullish.
Closed bullish here on the 15-minute time frame. The 30-minute candle's still open, and it's got no wick here at the bottom. So yeah, probably just gonna wait on 30. Wait on 9:30 here. 9:30 will either give us a 15-minute celery, right, or some sort of a fade back down. Oh man, like 600K, yeah. Hundreds of thousands. I have friends playing with meme coins a lot, but I'm not gonna be doing that. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
What's good, chat? Got 15 pips on gold. Nice, bro. Job. Oh, damn, Mr. Grind. we'll have to get that back, man. Good thing it's money, right? We can always get more of it. Yeah, man. I feel that. It's all good though. With a definite purpose backed by a definite plan and faith, man, you can do anything. No such thing as impossible, right? With a burning desire backed by faith. What's good, Andrew? My man. Nice. Ordered Outwitting the Devil. Let's go, bro. It's coming in today. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, bro. Such a great book, man. So many gems in that. One of my favorite books, too. Yeah, right, Mr. Rheingold's wildin'. Yeah, no, Outwitting the Devil, definitely one of my favorite books. A lot of stuff exposed in that book, man. It really opened my mind to a lot of things. Lost 5K on my journey. Yeah, a lot of traders, you know, going back to the, you know, grind who lost over 600K, right? I know traders, I've listened to podcasts of traders saying that they lost that much as well, you know? So, you know, it's a very normal thing to lose money, you know, as a trader, especially a beginner trader, you know, with not that much experience or anything like that. Good afternoon, Caroline. What's going on? What's up, Minash? Yeah, Nick wants to wait here on the 30-minute. Have some more volume coming at 9:30. Yeah, 4 hours pulling back nicely here too. Flipping bullish. Respecting that previous low really nice as well. What's up, Buzz Blab? Good morning, my man. How's it going, bro? Congrats again, my man. On the comp. Pass your phase one. Nice, nice, bro. Good job. What book do I recommend? The most, I'd say the Bible, definitely. I think the gospel, man, there's a lot of truth there. I mean, the eyewitnesses of Jesus Christ. Yeah, I would read Mark, Luke, John. Yeah, the eyewitnesses of Jesus. Mark, Luke, John, Matthew. I love Proverbs. I love the book of Acts as well. So, yeah, I'd recommend you head into the Bible. Because that's where the real truth is, right? Jesus Christ brings truth, grace, mercy. So the truth is in those gospels, right? You just gotta read it, listen, read it, study it, and you know, Jesus Christ will offer his truth and the truth of life, and you can get the truth of life through the gospels.
John, what were you doing on my other screen, bro?
What happened?
How'd you get over there?
I don't know. Sir.
Let's see what's going on over here. This looks like gold yesterday. $36 minutes for a 4-hour close here. Pretty bullish though on ES. Like if you get a 4-hour closure now above all that range, look at all this clean range you got. I like ES's price so much better too. 59.50, 59.40, much easier to read. Holding long NQs, nice dude, nice since 8. Fire. 4-hour candle's gonna close here in like 30 minutes. Is it an issue that we don't have a bottom wick? Yeah, you know, this 30-minute candle is pretty I am pretty skeptical about this candle. It just gapped up, no wick, just right out of this consolidation there. So yeah, it's a little strange candle. This one's gonna close here in 4 minutes though. He's back.
Yo.
How are you, John? Sorry there.
I get done. My bad. Thought someone was at my door.
Yo, Daniel, the gym doesn't have cameras? The gym probably got cameras out there.
Yeah, where Daniel? How's everything going? Sir.
That's crazy, man. Just broke into your your window, broad daylight.
All right.
Do you ever scale into trades? Like, what's your take on it? So my take on that is like, let's say we do a fake out, or let's say we take a fade here or something, right? So like, all of a sudden, price kind of pushes up, and we're like, you know what? Maybe we'll get a fade on the break of the low, and we do break the low. So all of a sudden now we're like entered into the trade. If we close below, and then that prepares me for like a brand new setup, and let's say I'm still in this trade, that's typically the only time I'll add, is when I've got a new opportunity, a new playbook entry and setup, and then I'll get in again. So I'll just add to it. I won't add and draw down, like just if we get new opportunities. Like a whole new trade presents itself, then I'll add to it. Drawdown, I don't add into any. I don't add anything in drawdown.
Yo, Dan, I highly recommend maybe that you order the book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah. Yeah, go on Amazon and order that. think that'll be a great book, man, for what you're looking for.
The only way I'll add in drawdown is if, like, let's say we get this candle here, it closes, right? And then I get in on a little bit of a lower lot size, and then we kind of come up again here, right? But we don't break the highs, we just kind of mess around. Sometimes I'll add one back on the flip or something like that when I think, okay, we're probably gonna now begin to head back down. So that's when I'll add in drawdown, but that's pretty rare.
Yo, Daniel, I love your energy, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, you see, so this 15-minute, you know, pushes up, but then right back down. So now we want to
look
pay
at where we
attention
tapped.
to the 30. Yeah, we tapped
We
right
tapped that
there.
resistance, yeah, perfectly.
Literally perfectly. Got into a fade. Oh, nice. While in profit, price is creating a celery, which will still go in my favor. Not on gold, though. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, so you play around with it. You know, you find your own little rhythm to it. And then, you know, you create your system around that. Potential celery on NQ. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, Juan. I don't know. A lot of you guys like taking buys. Like, I don't like taking buys up here. It's just so far from support. But I mean, I guess NAS can just keep pushing, right? It's too far for me. Buy the top, sell the low.
Goldie.
Gold back in the range. What do you know?
Yep.
What do you know? Doing a full beginner bootcamp video for YouTube? Yeah. Yeah.
SGH.
What's good?
What's up, Jokes?
Of course, brother. How you been, man? If the game was to lose money, I'd be the best trader alive. Dang. Crazy. Imagine. That'd be wild. 4-hour turning bearish again, trying to stay bearish at the same time trying to move bull. So I'm open for a fade here, but we're gonna have to see a quick pump up here for this 930 candle, and then I'm down to have a potential sell stop.
15 minutes like just grossing me out.
Yeah, back into the range. I know. It's tough price action here today. I really wish the 4-hour closed already. That's what I really wish, because then we can get more confident in the bearish bias here at 930. But
yes, I agree.
yeah, higher time frame. This is still open. He could still fill that wick there. Yeah, it's just nasty. Holy. Oh, you're welcome, hacker. You're welcome. Yeah, man, this is choppy. Choppy.
Chops. It's good to preserve your capital in the choppiness, you know, in the chop markets. Feels good.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Will the 4-hour actually move bullish here? Right? Or will it actually close bear in 26 minutes? Gonna wait for the 4-hour close. Yeah, smart. Smart. It is very choppy.
At this point, yeah.
Yeah. Smart idea. The sells look good on the 30, right? But then again, the 15 is so choppy. Is it worth it, right? Now the volume could push through there, right? We all know that, but that doesn't guarantee us that our trade just stops. Look at all this stoppage right here. Just a visible floor sitting right there. So it's tough. And then you don't want to take the buys either because you close bearish, you rejected. So tough spot to be. Very, very tough, as Raja would say. Very, very tough. Very, very tough. Just do the opposite work. Imagine you start doing the opposite, but then you still keep losing money. Holy. You can imagine his voice, right? Very choppy, very, very choppy. Very tough, very, very tough. You know, you want to be in a trade so bad at 9:32, but you really got to stay disciplined.
Yeah, it's got some nice volume right now, dropping down.
I bet it does. We're finally moving down.
Sheesh. Damn.
It's the open, baby.
Coming right to that support, 15 support. 30 support.
Nice. Nip the 4-hour highs there and just wrecked.
That was some quick price action. NAS bleeder.
Yeah,
Two.
NAS and ES should look just the same. Ooh, we got snow on the ground. Nice. It was actually pretty cold today when I left for the gym. Had to go back in.
Yo,
for
it's
huddle.
brick, bro. It was brick. We were in like the 50s today.
Yeah, we were. What other pairs you guys trading out there? You guys trading Forex pairs, futures pairs? What are you guys doing? Indices? What y'all working with? Supposed to snow tomorrow. Oh, dang. In New York? Oh, I mean, PA? Everything's selling but gold, I know. Gold is just literally just walking back and forth. Silver, UJ, very nice. I never traded silver, but UJ, I definitely have traded that. GU, nice. I've traded GU. AU was that pair, man. AU sold me the dream. NAS, gold, and Bitcoin, nice. Congratulations, Greg. Congrats, bro. Silver sometimes.
Thanks, Greg.
We're out here trading corn.
Damn, gold's a bit choppy to the upside even too.
Yeah.
Like even if we do get above 76.
Does it validate if the move is weak or strong? No, it just more of a validation and a confluence for direction. So notice how we never really closed above. So yeah, I could have gotten to a trade maybe here, but then I would have had to go through all this and this and this and that and this. So like, I'd rather just wait for that confirmation. If I miss it, it doesn't matter. I'll wait for the next confirmation, you know. But I'd rather wait for the confirmation so that way I know, hey, I've seen this many times before. We get a closure, we make a bottom wick, we break the high, we fill the range, right? Those are things I've seen hundreds of times. So anytime I'm looking to put my money into the market, I want to make sure that that familiar price action is there. So can you still juice up and all that without the closure? Absolutely. Can there still be a ton of volume without the closure? You bet. I mean, look at all this volume, right? So, but it's just, what are you after? Are you after the volume, the money, or are you after the actual process of the system and the long-term, you know, longevity of trading? Gold's walking back and forth, bro. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And then if you're confident with your target levels, you know, why not get in early? That's kind of why too. I don't want to be in before it's ready. If you notice, most of my best trades, we get in and within 10 minutes, we're out. So I don't like waiting. I don't like getting in and, you know, waiting here and hanging out with price as it tries to make a decision. I'd rather just wait for the decision to be made and then take the execution. Gold's so hard to understand right now. Yeah. And that's perfectly fine. So that, guess what? That doesn't make you that doesn't mean that you lack in trading knowledge, right? That just means this don't make sense to you. This don't make sense to your system. It doesn't make sense based off of the price action that you like to see. And that's fine. You know, we're not gonna understand price. Price moves extremely randomly, does wild things. We just know that every so often it does a certain thing, and when it does that certain thing, that's our signal to enter in. Other than that, we just observe, we laugh, we joke, we hang, we watch, we wait. You know, we wait for that familiar price action. Gold's dancing.
Yes, it is.
It's on the dance floor. It's trolling.
At least I know I haven't taken any trades this week. That's a good thing because I know the markets have been absolutely chalked this week. So I'm glad I haven't taken any trades this week.
Yeah. If you've been only trading in New York, you probably don't have many trades.
New York and Asian.
I think I have 4 trades. 4 trades this week. So that's still not even that much. He's trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yes, sir. Conrad, what's up, my man? No. I know, Conrad. I'm sorry, bro. Like I said, it was in my dream, bro. I was trading London in my dream last night. Sorry, bro. I apologize. At least the boys ate, bro. At least the boys ate. And the girls, sorry. At least everyone in the London chat was eating the pips, so that's good. Yeah, I'm sorry, Conrad. I'm sorry. Let's go. Past 250K accounts on Top Step. Nice, bro. Congrats. Just got to know about higher time frames. Nice. Yeah, the main thing I like to do with the higher time frames is just get that read and direction on price so I can look for the playbook setups on the lower time frame, going with that direction of the higher time frame. Yeah, armor, God protection, facts, dude, facts. Good things take time, man, you know? Season of planting, season of harvesting. Yeah, no, Conrad. I ain't stressing it. Yep, back in the range we go on Goldie. We're coming into the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Maybe we'll see a nice pullback here. I personally would really like to see this 4 hour close strong bearish, personally. That would be awesome. Yes, sir. Next step, that payout. Yeah, I mean, the choppiness makes a lot of sense, right? Like we were talking about earlier. We had the election last month. We're in the end of Q4, right? We're 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving. We got Christmas coming up. We got a bunch of holidays. There really hasn't been that much news. The Ukraine wars, right? The war is going on. I think it makes a lot of sense. That's fine, right? As professional traders, we just adapt to the market conditions. You know, if the play shows up more, we trade more. If it shows up less, we trade less. Right? When you got a plan, your job becomes so simple. Like there's no way of entering the markets unless the setup and system allows you to. So if you're just disciplined to the system, you'll naturally be able to adapt with ease, sorry. You'll naturally be able to adapt with ease to the market conditions in front of you. Well, you got to follow that plan. Well, we got some news at 10:30. Oh yeah, we got a orange folder at 10, and we got a yellow folder. So not that crazy of news, but yeah, we got something cooking. We got London close coming at 11:30, so we'll see. Should have something cooking for today, later in the day. Yep, up and down, Goldie. What's up, Leon? Why didn't we take the celery on the previous candle? Yeah, no, there was no celery. There was no celery plays here. If you're talking about the break of the highs of that previous candle, we didn't take that trade because there was resistance to the left. Yeah, if you look above that previous candle high, there is a heavy resistance, multiple resistance there to the left. So we wanted to avoid that, right? We like to take the setups with clean range to the left. We don't want to take our setups right at support, resistance, or wick rejections. So yeah, I think we held off that due to lack of clean range. And we're just kind of consolidating, kind of choppy right now. till 26.76, no trade zone, correct, yep. But I mean, even if you look up, unfortunately, even if you look above, you know, 26.76, it's still pretty chopped. I think 26.80 might be our best bet, to be honest. Yeah, if you look left, you'll see more choppiness and resistance there. That's why I really am, you know, wanting to see this 4-hour close strong bearish, and maybe we can switch the bias over to sells. The 4-hour can close strong bearish, creating resistance. Because keep in mind, I mean, the daily's tapping these supports and resistance there to the left. I mean, of course, we could still break through them and continue driving. Well, we're tapping some supports to the left. We also have a little top wick there, right? So we'll see how this 4-hour closes. You know, these could be clues leading to the daily pulling back as well. Yeah, I mean, the markets have been pretty choppy this week. How's everyone been trading? How many trades have you guys taken this week? I know a lot of you guys are you know, trade more pairs than gold, so but like how many trades have you guys taken on gold specifically? Just 2? Yeah, J Coop. 2 trades only. What's up, Miko? What's up, J Coop? Yeah, nah, man. It's been a very patient week here for us disciplined traders. What's up, B21? 3 trades. Yeah, right. So not that many. 1B for you. Yeah. Yep. Thanks. You're welcome, Leon. Oh, nice, Pat. 26.71. Nice. Gold trades 2, 3. What's up, Alex? What's up, Shelly? What's up, Shama? Oh, nice. 4 straight W's. Oh, nice, Greg. On gold, 4. Nice. Been eating with NAS and US30. That's awesome, man. 2B, 1 losing. Yeah. Gold's been rude. Nah. Yeah, but back in the range we go. We're starting to have a nice push down here. We got 10 minutes for the 4-hour closure. See what happens. Yeah, 4-hour closure gives us a lot more information here from the market. So yeah, this is a big 4-hour closure coming up. Nice SGH, finally back on track. I love it. Yeah, right, man. And I'm sure you just got back to trading your edge, right? In drawdown, in profits, what do? We just continue to trade the plan. How do I get out of drawdown? I just continue to trade the plan. That's it. The system is already designed to win more than we lose, right? So even when we're in the drawdown, if we're left to a question like what next, right? What's next is we continue to follow our plan. That's the roadmap. That's the plan here. Oh, nice, Aldo. Just trading strictly candlesticks. Yeah, right, SGH, for real, man. Had to stop trying to minimize losses due to fear, for real, dude. You know what that will do is, and that will create analysis paralysis, right? When you're looking to avoid losses in an uncertain environment, that will cause confusion, that will cause overthinking and overall analysis paralysis, which will lead to strategy hopping, right? But yeah, man, it's understanding like, yo, we're gonna take losses here. If I see edge according to my plan and system, I gotta execute. And I gotta accept the randomness and uncertainty of the markets. That's why I should lower my size a bit. But right, when you start to expect to not lose any trades, or you have fear of losing trades, you'll start to develop analysis paralysis, and you'll just get confused, and you won't even want to execute. right? And every trade you take, you'll take it in a confused mindset, and you're just right. What we're doing is developing the wrong idea of the markets, right? Like the true reality of the markets is that it's random, it's a probability game, it's uncertain, right? So what are we thinking about, right? We all know one of the fundamental truths of trading. Like, we don't have to know what's going to happen next to make money. All we need is an edge to execute on, right? When you know your setups, entries, rules, there's nothing else to think about, right? More thinking can actually hurt you in this game. You can't be scared to take losses because the system is gonna have losses, right? We just gotta execute the system. We gotta stop, trying to think like, all right, I'm gonna get paid on this trade. No, it's more so I'm gonna get paid to execute my trading edge, right? Start looking at it as you're not getting paid on this trade, but you're getting paid to execute your trading plan every single day, right? And what that does is change the game. Now you're attached to the process of trading your edge. And when you're attached to the process of trading your edge, now you start to win more than you lose. You start to get profits, right? You start to get paid. So yeah, it's a whole mindset shift. But for real, man, you cannot be scared to take losses, right? Or you cannot try to avoid losses, because that's impossible to do here in trading. All the best traders in the world, all the pros, they take losses. And every system out there has losses and has losing streaks. So you will not find a system that does not have losses, right? So once you have the system, once you understand the system, now it's time to execute without fear, but with faith, right? And I think, how do we trade our system with faith over fear? Going back to the mental skills Mark Douglas talks about, right? The mental skills of trading your edge with faith over fear is having the probability mindset. So that's the only thinking I think us traders should do. What's like your trading psychology advice? I think less thinking, more executing, and only thinking probabilities. That's what I think. But yeah, dude, that's so SGH, man. That's so true. I struggled with that as well. Like, fear of losing, right? I overcame that through accepting losses, accepting randomness, and accepting the probabilities of trading.
Wow, what'd I miss?
It's nothing. Gold just chopped.
Down 10
4 hours
we
pulling
go.
back though. Last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Yeah, right. SGH. Yep.
Crazy. Took 4 straight W's. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Feels good, right? I gotta mark up the journal here. I'm missing 5 trades. 2 losers, 3 winners. Gotta mark them up. My last 3 trades look like this. Gold buy off the onion, gold buy off the fake out, breakout, and then gold buy off the onion. Goldie. Goldie. So we had that fake out. So we were kind of looking into that fake out, right? Ended up faking out right back into the range. Nasty, man. Nasty. Very, very tough. Very, very tough. Very, very tough. Can we get Roger up here? Can we get him up here?
Roger.
Very tough. Very tough. If you guys haven't liked the stream while we're consolidating here, give the stream a like, subscribe to the channel. 600 in attendance and 248 likes. The math ain't mathin'.
Dang.
The math ain't mathin'. Why haven't you liked it? I love everything about this channel. W. Well, we're happy to have you here. AB Mike, let him know. Mod Squad, you might have to start firing away. Mod Squad about to get active. AB Mike about to
Sir.
come run your pockets. Let me see. You got a like? Let me see. Empty your pockets. You liked it? Just kidding.
Yeah,
Energy's
Daniel,
about to G up on
unfortunately,
someone.
yes.
Show me the like. What'd you say, John?
And I said yes to Daniel. Yeah, I know, bro. Anything with
What, about breaking
calories.
fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, anything with calories breaks it.
Yep.
And then you would no longer stay in a state of ketosis. No, I'm just kidding.
And then I'm like, damn, like 10 calories gonna break my fast. Like, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
And then I
orange,
drive myself crazy.
that orange Celsius not worth it.
Like, I'll pull up to Nick's house. They'll be eating. They'll offer me like like a French fry or something, and I'll be like, nah, I'm good. Because I don't want that one French fry to mess up my whole fast.
Start your whole system up off of a greasy French fry.
Yeah, because now my body is up and it's working. Like, even though it's not, doing that much work, it's still working. And I don't want it to work. I want it to rest. That's the point of my fast.
Damn, Zyper, no way. Nah.
Nah, it's like, bro, I would go crazy.
You just ruined everything.
Nah, but when you do fasts like 7 days, like I've done 7-day fasts, but I failed some too. Like there was times where I wasn't prepared to do a 7-day fast. On the fifth day, I almost felt like passing out. So I think there's a way, there's an appropriate and responsible way of doing, things like that. Definitely. Like, you gotta prepare yourself when you do 7-day fast or anything like that, especially if you're new.
My guy almost died. No, he didn't.
I'm
almost
like
die.
driving,
He
like,
looked like he was about to. Me and Joe were like, John, I think you should have a bite to eat, brother.
Nick was like, eat some dinner, bro.
Well, John's talking about fully fasting. No breaking the fast or anything like that at the end of the day. Just day and night. Day and night, day and night, day and night for 7.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, just water.
No breaking it. Yeah, it's crazy, right? I've never done that. Just water for 7 days straight.
Yep, you'll grow your relationship with Christ, with God as well. Christ.
Holy.
Nice 4-hour closure here.
4-hour closure.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. King, you get in touch with God through those fasts because you rely on a power higher than you. You rely on the power within you. You don't get any energy from, energy drinks, protein bars, food, steak. It's just you and the power God gave you. So definitely increase your relationship with Christ. And that's why, I did it in the first place as well, to improve my physical body. But yeah. Yeah, Shay May, that's why. Yeah, that's why.
Are we waiting on the perfect trade? The perfect trade. You got that right, brother. The perfect one. So look, 4-hour close bearish, right? So now I'm much more open to taking sells right below 65 here. So I'm probably not going to enter off the 4-hour flip because that still puts us in this consolidation here, especially on the 15. So I think a closure below on the 15 or on the 30 will set us up.
Would you rather 63 on the 15 or 65 on the 30?
Probably 65 on the 30.
Yeah.
It's a nice 70 pip range.
Hero of the day. That's hilarious, bro. Nah, honestly, like if the first time you do it, like after the second day of fully fasting, you're gonna start roaming the kitchen. Like, I need food.
Start roaming.
And that's the opportunity, right, to take control of your mind and be in full control of your body.
Yeah, not many people could fast like that. That's a lot.
Yeah, no, man.
Have a
Yeah,
nice
Mr.
day,
Pirate.
Mako.
Yep.
Later, brother.
Peace, makeup.
Only breakfast and lunch? Nice. I kind of do the opposite of that. I only typically eat around dinner. So every day I fast for about 20 to 24 hours, but I've never done like a multiple day fast for like 7 days or anything. I'm not there yet. Not yet. Probably maybe soon. I've got to really feel called to do that. All right. We're breaking the 4-hour lows, or at least attempting to. Yeah, fasting. I like fasting because it just gives your gut a break. So many people be eating all day long. Their gut never actually has an opportunity to like do any work outside of digesting. And the gut is meant for way more than digesting.
I believe every human needs to add the principle of fasting within their diet. It doesn't have to be one meal a day, but intermittent fasting is great as well. You need a fast. Fasting's great. Fasting shows self-discipline and builds discipline.
People be doing that bored eating.
Yeah, Mr. B Profits, I love working out while I'm fasting, yes.
Always.
Oh, man. Your body's going to burn fat insanely quick, too, as you're fasting. When it gets to energy, it's gonna have no food to get it from. So it's gonna go into the fat and use the fat to use as energy. And then it's gonna burn the fat and eat the fat up. So you're gonna shred fat really quick.
Oh yeah. Matt, are you talking about like you close like that with no like, so let's say you create support, right? You mean like that? Like the support candle just closed with no wick on the bottom? Yeah, so sometimes I like to wait. It all depends. Like if that just happens to be like a 15-minute candle, but it's in the process of a 30-minute, then maybe sometimes I won't wait. But yeah, I like when we tap down there, break the low, and then push up. The only thing is that's gonna happen randomly. So typically that will happen around like 8:15. Like Comics Open will push down and do something stupid like that. You know, just come down, give the candle a low. Most people will have their stop sitting like here too. And then what that also does is that flips the other candle bearish, right? The 30-minute candle. And then you got people getting activated in sells there too. So typically I like to wait for that and then enter on the break like right around here. We call it the pack runner. The pack runner. Yeah, now that we close bearish, I am anticipating potential move down here. Right? Could the daily candle come down as well and close either weak bullish today or actually close bearish with a big rejection? Maybe. The first sign we have of that is this closure on the 4-hour. But just a nasty range here. Notice how we haven't had closures, right? No, not one 30-minute candle is closed below that support or above that range there. Not one. Even when they looked like they were going, right back down.
What's up, energy? Yeah, nice energy. I like that.
Yeah, that parasite cleanse would be insane.
Yeah, there's a lot of juices you can drink as well that will cleanse you, like crazy cleanse you. I'm thinking about doing some of that too.
You gotta watch
Like
out
Nick,
now.
there's
Hero of the day.
Nick, there's juices out there that will literally cleanse your whole body, bro. Like literally, you'll drink it, and it will all come out of your body in a couple hours. Like everything that's in your body will come out.
You'd be like, yo, what? Wait, whoa, how'd that get in there? You guys remember? Oh man, this one movie was so funny. He said, how'd that get in there? Sauna? Yeah, sauna. I usually
Even
do
beers?
sauna every day.
How long were you in the sauna today?
30 minutes. I'll be doing my meditation in there now every day. It's actually pretty
That's
fun.
awesome. So 30 minutes is like the new norm for you?
Yeah, pretty much.
So what do you hit like a 30-minute strength train, like 30 minutes of weightlifting or 40 minutes or so, and then 30 minutes of sauna?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes. My man Nick's on that carnivore-ish diet.
Yeah, just like a whole food diet, minimal carbs.
It's great. Yeah, I'm on the same as well, bro. Carnivore-ish.
Garlic and ginger. Wow, mixed with what?
Oh,
Water?
wow. It's great. So sick.
Garlic and ginger. Yeah, meat and eggs are horrible for you. Stay away. Make sure you eat cereal instead.
Like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah, no, I don't have eggs. Just have a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You'll be alright. Yeah, there you go. See, this is the most unhealthiest diet on the face of the planet. Doesn't it look like it? Pew, 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 pew. Doesn't that look so unhealthy? Compared to a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Cocoa Puffs. Yeah, the bread I'd probably do away with, but everything else looks money. And you don't need a spoon, AB Mike. Be a man. Be a man. Eat
Yeah,
with
you
your
might, bro.
hands.
Let's go with the spoon.
Dude, get rid of the spoon.
Baby Mike, bro. What's up, baby Mike? Don't get soft on me, bro.
You're getting soft on me now, dude, using utensils. Come on, we are living the ancestral way of eating.
Yeah, that's what
I always eat my steak with my hands, always. I try and eat everything with my hands. And then I come over here and type on the keyboard, get it all messed up, have to buy a new one. Oh, the spoon's for the coffee.
It's actually more fun to eat with your hands. Grab by the bone, like.
It's grab a big old chicken leg. Set yourself up right. A bowl of cereal and a nice I don't know. What's that thing's called again? Those protein bars? Quest, a nice Quest protein bar on your way out the door. How you doing?
Yeah, nice Quest bar.
Go get 'em, honey.
Cookies and cream though only.
A crumble cookie. Yo, chill.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie.
Crumble for breakfast, just to say I did it.
I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna have to get some crumble cookie this weekend.
Really?
Yeah, they got the churro cookie. I don't think you like that one, Nick.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, Nick, you're chilling.
If you said maybe they had that
Milk and cookies.
that milk and cookies,
cookies
joint,
and cream.
man,
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to break all
I'll
my
let you know.
life goals and plans and throw them all out the window for about 20 minutes.
Nah, the churro one is insane too, bro. I think you gotta try it. Actually, don't.
When
Yeah,
it
nah,
comes to
milk and
cookies, I'm not trying anything new.
Yeah.
Their marketing really is, bro.
here.
It really is insane.
The
And they
coloring,
do-
the colors, bro. Yeah.
they be doing new menus, right? Every week.
Yeah, man.
They
Yeah.
got people cracked out waiting for that that menu.
Cracked out. Cracked out.
It's like the drug dealer over there. You go over there, it's like people
like,
in and
yeah,
out like
for-
it's a drug dealer's house.
Dude, for
Holy,
like legit.
slanging that sugar, just slanging sugar in cookie form.
Shit, bro. It's it's real, bro. It's real. That's some crack right there.
Switzerland.
Oh wow, that's
Snow
beautiful,
there in
bro.
Switzerland, eh? So gold really just trolled us here today. We got here at 7:30, and this is what we've done: 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4, 5, 6 candles here. Straight trolled us.
Hey, dude.
Made me take a day's worth of work off for this.
I wasted so much time here.
Eating like Liver King, yo. Oh my god, yeah.
Nah, I'm good on that.
Dude, I don't think that dude. Does he probably doesn't have forks or anything. Spoons, nothing.
I'm good, bro. I don't want to eat a heart.
Yeah, he eats some wild stuff. Wild. Do I eat grass-fed liver? I haven't, but I will. Good to have you here, Patricia. Good to have you here. So
Hey,
it's
what's up,
awesome
Patricia?
to hear from God's people.
Yep.
Yeah, Carnivore MD. I take some supplements now from Heart and Soil. So I think he has liver too. Steak and kidney pie, eh? Do I know Dr. Berg? Maybe if you show me a picture.
Sounds like someone from S&B Capital. Are you talking about trading or like?
Oh, Steinberg? Yeah, Heart
Yeah,
and Soil
actually, I
is
don't
good.
think he's talking about the same person.
I've enjoyed it. Yeah, my one friend, him and his wife were struggling trying to get pregnant, and she jumped on, I think it's like the Woman's Pack or whatever. Boom. Next month. Nah, I never heard of him. Dr. Berg. I'll have to check him out.
I'm about to look him up.
Dr. Berg Health Nutrition, maybe.
Yeah, Cedric just waiting for our playbook setups, bro. Dr.
W
Berg.
Yogi. W. Yeah, some days you're not gonna make you're not gonna take wins like financially in the markets, but you'll take them mentally. You'll stay out of maybe certain positions normally you would get into, vice versa. Maybe you'll get into something you would normally stay out of, but you should be getting in, and learn a bit about price action. You know, I've got a trade on the board, but nothing here in New York. The 15 got no bottom wick. Yikes. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think we've had one New York session trade this week. Were we off on Monday this week or?
No.
Nah, right?
Nope.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, no New York session trades.
Yeah, I don't think so. All London. It's been all London sesh. I think one Asian. I think I took 5 trades so far over the past 4 days, but it's all been London. London and Asian. Yeah.
But we know that it's been a very slow and choppy week though in the New York session as well. So that's when you're very disciplined to the system. You just naturally adapt with the market conditions. This was the first time I haven't taken a trade in 3 or 4 days, 3 days since February. So
Nice.
I know it's not me, right? I mean, I know it's not like me just not taking any trades. I know it's me just being disciplined to the system here. So because it's not something that will happen often. No 3 no trade days in a row.
Yeah. I wouldn't say take a loan. I would say just go over your trades. You know, go over your trades, see what you did right, see what you did wrong, see if there was anything that you could have stayed away from. You know, make sure everything's matching your system. Yeah, and then ask yourself, well, like sometimes I'll see traders they'll take like I don't know, like a sell right here, right on this green candle, but it doesn't go anywhere, right? Because it's still in the range. So sometimes you took the right position, right? Because we would consider this what, an onion play, right? If we closed bearish, if we removed all the ranges, right, and we kind of just said this is the only thing going on right now. Let's start from up here. Right, then we would say, okay, cool, that looks like a nice sell, right? An onion formed, resistance, we should take it. And the only thing is you're still stuck in a range, so a lot of times you're going to get pushback on that trade. So I see a lot of people do that. That's why I always wait for closures and trade outside of those choppy ranges. But, you know, maybe you're taking the right setup, but just in the wrong place or the wrong location, or you know, vice versa. So you just got to figure out what it is that's kind of causing those losses to occur and fix it. Yeah, sometimes it takes some time. You got to step away. But all in all, you should be good. You know, as long as you know what you're looking for and you have sample size that system and you see a year worth of data that states that, hey, if you take this every time, you should be profitable, right? Then just keep going and just maybe make those little adjustments and see where you're at in the trade. And maybe next time you say, wow, maybe when you do your review, you go, whoa, I didn't even I thought I was following my system the whole time, but little did I know I took 5 trades within the range, you know, and those were all 5 losers. And you know what I mean? So you kind of weed out what's not working and highlight what is working. And then that's how you just make your way as a trader. You know, it's tough. It's a lot of back and forth, a lot of adjusting and tweaking and all that stuff. So, but you could do it. You could definitely do it. I admire your ambition. I really do.
Oh yeah, you can do it.
Wrong places. Yeah, it could be something that small. Just the setup was perfect. It looked really good, but maybe it was just right next to a support or right next to a resistance, or maybe, you know, it didn't give you a top wick, or, you know, that's why I follow these little rules that sometimes the people in the chat may think, well, damn, this guy's so picky. He doesn't, but that pickiness is what keeps us profitable. You know, that pickiness is what keeps the numbers and the probabilities accurate and in place. So for me to just jump because I want to make money, or I want to make a trade, or I want to I don't know, impress the crowd, right? Impress the chat. You know what I mean? That's me breaking my rule at the end of the day. So I don't do that. You know what I mean? I don't want to screw up the probability. I know that the only way the probabilities get screwed up is if I screw them up. So I want to do the best of my ability to not do that. You know, so that's why I'm extremely picky, and I only take what works for me. And you should do the same. You know, you shouldn't settle for less than the best. We're talking about replacing your job, getting free, making money, put money away, changing your life, you know? So it's worth the commitment.
Less is more.
Am I looking for a sell? I'm looking for sells below here and then potential, I would say at this point, range 2 buys. So a break and a retest above there. We closed bearish on the 4 hour here. So I'm looking to see if we can break that low, get a closure below the range. We got 70 pips of pretty decent range right here to trade in, and that's what I'm looking for. Stopped entering FOMO. Yeah, and you'll notice you'll have all these things, right? You'll have all this stuff, you know, FOMO and JOMO and everything. You'll have all these things that are kind of holding you back, right? And your job as a trader is to slowly identify them. Be like, all right, let me not do this one anymore, right? But then you're still going to keep doing certain things. And you're like, you know what? This one's getting painful. Let me stop doing that. And let me stop doing that. And that's the process of, you know, honing into becoming a good trader. How about buying at 58? I would much rather wait for a range 2 buy here, right? Because if we can do that, then we can buy off of a support and we can break the 4 hour high, right? Re-break it and then actually close above. That'd be good. But I don't want to take buys here. Look at the 4 hour. Looks like we're ready to drive down. Looks like we're about ready to break that low and just melt. So I definitely don't want to take any buys right here.
And like we talked about too, the 4 hour is really like the session bias too.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I feel you, man. It's hard. As I was stating earlier, becoming successful is hard. It really is.
What is the success rate in trading? Like 2%?
Yep.
100, right? So I mean, it's definitely gonna be challenging.
Just
you know,
in life.
if only two
even in life,
people, if only 2 out of 100 are gonna succeed.
Yeah. You know, things to do anything great and spectacular is gonna be difficult. That's why very few people make it, because most people just aren't willing to deal with these difficulties. But at the end of the day, you know, this is like really as hard as it gets. Losing your money, getting frustrated, you know, trying to learn
your emotions.
Out. Yeah.
There's always a solution within the problem though, you know, Tyrad. And I think you just need, like Nick said, you just need to find the similar patterns that are happening. But there's always a solution to every legitimate problem out there.
Thyrad, you should watch this video. Where is it?
Which one?
This one. It's an oldie but a goodie. Keeping your losses small, managing drawdown, stuff like that he goes into. It's a very quick 7-minute video. It's a good video. If you're in the clubhouse, I'm not sure if you are or not, but if you are, go to the risk management webinar that we did like 3 weeks ago, and take good notes. That I think will set you up. If anything, watch all the webinars that we did in the clubhouse, and you will become a different person. Never mind trader.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chala. Chala. How we doing, Chala? W, Yogi. W. I like it. I like it. So it looks like we're going to close back in the range here.
Off to the clubhouse.
Yeah, I think it's a clubhouse vibe for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I think so.
Over and out from YouTube. Tomorrow we celebrate the lovely Friday. So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll see what we got. See if price action wants to vibe with us. And yeah, we'll be trading New York here today, Asian, London in the clubhouse. So if you guys want to join us there, just visit the Time to Eat website, sign up, and join us in the clubhouse. And for the rest of y'all, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. What do you say?
Beautiful. Sounds great, bro.
What do you think?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I think it's a plan.
All right, cool.
All right. Thank you, my man. I'll see you a little bit later.
I'll see you in a few minutes, brother.
Yes, sir. Chat. Hope you guys all have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace out.
Chat. Love y'all. Great questions today. Really good stream. I enjoyed my time with you all. And I will see you guys tomorrow. The rest of y'all, we'll see you guys in the clubhouse over the next couple sessions. And God is good. Let's get to it.
Hey, check.
Hope y'all have a great day.
Yeah. Whoa.
Peace, man. Y'all be good, all right?
There's one thing I know.
Later, chat.
Hey, yeah. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. Okay, some days be the best. Some days be the worst. Some days stay on replay. Other days they don't. Oh well, okay. Guess what? You woke up today. Put a big smile on your face. 'Cause one thing ain't never gonna change. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. It ain't one thing he can't do. Took my old ways, got me feeling brand new. Oh, hey, yo, Caleb, make sure that it's understood.
Okay, for the summertime, how you been too good? Popped out that gray like I popped up that hood. Popped out that chain when I popped out that book. Say that one name, watch a demon get shook. Hopped out that pot and we let him cook. Lucy need a chill 'cause he don't run this, my dog. You can see we living in abundance, my dog. Lies from the snake, had to punch it, my dog. Had to punch it, my dog. God is good, God is great. Thank you for this plate. Amen. Pray the Lord, take my soul to the heaven gate. Take care, I would do the race like I caught a case. When I ain't got nothing left, you a call away.
God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time.
Wait, hold up. Yeah, I got a God, don't change with the season. Yeah, 10,000 reasons I can believe in. God so good, say less, I'm breathing. Yeah, 10,000, I'm a believer. Yeah, I got a God, don't change with the season. Yeah, 10,000 reasons that I can believe in. Yeah, God so good, say less, I'm breathing. Say yeah, 10,000 reasons. Yeah, ACA, that's the law. New sheriff in it. KB on, passing balls. I'm a lawyer in the booth. I ain't never seen nobody do it like this. Owns every inch and I rule it like this. Look at my world, that's a little like drip. Only go to my list, I'm like, who did I miss? Let it breathe, ooh, cool. Let it breathe, yeah. Peace, peace, Jesus, that's my creed. Ooh, Michael B, yeah, he bossing. Don't be a clown, but you're not it. Worship in a mosh pit. I'm in this palm like the tropics. Men and women get in it, they get it, then they live again. Good and generous, definitive. That's from the Genesis, unlimited, inhibited. Look at all of these witnesses, give you the business. Satan body, homie, he finished it. I got a God, don't change for the season. 10,000 reasons I can believe in. God so good, say less, I'm breathing. 10,000, I can believe him. I got a God, don't change with the seasons. 10,000 reasons I can believe it. God so good, say less, I'm breathing. 10,000 reasons. Yeah, ooh, nothing here to prove how we move. Let me go. Yeah, plenty soul. Yeah, bring a smoke. Is that a joke? Yeah, hey, can't you see I'm on a roll? Been doing this since 16. Rapping on the corner in the street. Yeah, Christ is God. I lost my father, but I never lose my peace. Yeah. I think he king, reigning supreme, ooh, winning with ease, ooh, you think it's sweet, yeah, I believe, way crazier thing, cool, I see that he coming back, he said it, then I react, I got this thing in the bag, you go and laugh, I will be doing it last, yeah.